What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk about cashback bonuses. Now, there are so many cards out there with cashback bonuses, and I wanted to go over the best cashback bonuses out there. Now, there may be some that I miss, and there's always different credit cards that offer different cashback bonuses, whether they're part of a credit union or, whether they're just freelance credit cards out there. So I'm sorry if I don't get to all of them, but these are some of the ones that I see and the ones that I associate with. So we'll get into that in just a second. But before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I have a podcast that's filmed right behind me. So make sure you go ahead and check out that podcast. I'll have the link in the description down below. It's going to be a lot of fun to have those filmed and recorded, and just having conversations with my wife for an hour straight about different topics that are out there. So go ahead and check that out. Also, I do a giveaway, which I'll get into at the end of the video. So make sure you stick around till then. So cashback bonuses. When people think of bonuses, there's a lot of people in the credit card community that just want points and be able to transfer those points to different areas so they get more value out of them. But cashback is, everything. They say that cash is king, and it's true because cash runs the world. And soon it might be something different, like cryptocurrency. But yeah, cashback is amazing, and to be able to get certain levels of cashback, whether it's 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 700, 49, 62, 76, whether you have whatever number you get, it's going to be amazing for your situation to get extra money. So I just wanted to go through some cashback bonuses, and I'm going to go in the order of least to greatest from what I see. Now, first, we're going to start with the 150 bonus. Most of them are like $500 or $1,000 that you spend in your first 3 months. But cards that are in this category are the Blue Cash Everyday card by American Express, the PNC Cash Rewards Visa card, you have the Capital One Saver One card, the American Express Cash Magnet card, the Capital One Quicksilver card, which I talked about in a video. Actually, it's my most popular video on my channel. If you want to check that out, I'll put it up in the cards because for some reason people love it. So that's the most popular video. Go ahead and check that out. Also, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, Chase Freedom card, the Wells Fargo Cashwise card. These are cards that are all in that 150 bonus range. And this is something that if you're getting the 150 bonus, it makes sense to have a certain amount of spend, like $1,000. Now, if it's 150 for $2,000, I feel like that's a waste of time because you can get to 150 bonus with less spend. But they do have those out there. The next category that I have here is a $200 bonus. So a $200 bonus, I only have one card here. And that is the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. The Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card is a great card. I talked about this before. I also have a review on that. I have a review on a lot of cards, but check out that card. That's a good card. I'm not going to have any of these links down below, but check out the cards. I should have the links on the individual review videos, so check out those videos. The next tier that we have on here is the $250 bonus. Now, I have one card in here as well, which is the Blue Cash Preferred card by American Express. This, I actually said, was the best card of 2019. I love all of the categories that it has, the everyday spending, the normal spending that it has. It just has the best categories you could possibly get in a card with a low annual fee. So check that card out. I have 2 videos on that. I have the initial review, and then I have the best credit card of 2019. So check those out. Next, we have a $300 bonus, and there's 2 cards in this category. You have the Capital One Saver card, not the Saver One, the Capital One Saver card. And then you have the Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Rewards MasterCard credit card, which is ridiculous to say. And I'm not going to say it again. I'm going to say it again. The Bank of America Business Advantage Cash Rewards MasterCard credit card. That's a lot. That is so much. Why do you need that much? I don't understand. But these 2 cards fall in the $300 bonus. And to be able to spend a certain amount, make sure you get the $300 bonus. This is going to help out a lot of people's situation. If you love cash, then you can credit your statement and you can pay off your whatever bill you have. Let's say your gas bill and your electric bill or on your credit card, then you can pay those off with a statement credit. So it works in your favor. The next area that we have is a $500 bonus. And yes, there are cards in the $500 bonus of just cash. Now, these are both business cards, which you can get. There's ways you can get business cards. But it's the Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card and the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. These two cards give you $500 of a bonus when you spend a certain amount in 3 months. And $500 goes a long way. Even $100 goes a long way. So the last tier that I have on here, I wanted to do something that was a little bit different, but it still obviously is cash back. So the Capital One Spark Cashback Business Card has a limited time offer of $2,000 bonus, a $2,000 bonus. Yes, I said the right thing, $2,000 bonus. So they have a structure. It's more of a tiered thing. So you see this with different cards where you have a tiered thing. But this, if you spend $5,000, you get $500. And then if you spend an extra, or 50, not extra, but if you spend $50,000 in your total of 6 months, you get $2,000. So with total, you get $2,000 in your first 3 months. If you spend $5,000, you get $500. If you spend $50,000 in your 6 months of having the card, then you get $1,500 on top of the $500, so $2,000 total. This is a good situation. I mean, if you're able to spend $50,000, you're going to get $2,000 back. That's an amazing situation. That's amazing money that you're getting back. So you're going to save a ton. But that's what I wanted to talk about was cashback bonuses. A lot of people love cashback, and for good reason. I mean, like I said, cash is king. Like many people say, cash is king. I love points. But if you're craving cash back, if you're craving that statement credit, then these are the cards you're going to want to go with. So yeah, that's pretty much my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, smash the like button. It helps me out a lot. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. And all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all of those things and you get one ticket in the hat, if you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos. Also, I have a podcast that I film behind me, and I know I mentioned this before, but I want to mention this as much as possible, just so you go over there and check it out, because I can't really get those videos ranked. It's just a podcast, so go ahead and check it out, and I'm going to talk about it a lot because I really want to do these podcasts. It's amazing to be able to get information out there. So check that out. It'll be in the description below. But that's my video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.